Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I am still here. Oh my goodness, I have been so sick. So I'm finally starting to feel better. And so today I've got to run a couple of errands. So I thought, I haven't really done a video for February, so I will do one. Hopefully if my phone holds all the memory and if I can get it up. I've done grocery hauls, but I can't get them to upload, so you haven't seen those. So today I've just got to run some errands. I got my planner with me. What is that? So yeah, so that's where I'm going. Just gonna be running some errands, but I thought I would kind of take you guys along with me. Alright guys, I thought I would share with you my to-do list or whatever for today. So like I said, I gotta go to the bank, which I have written up there, but I'm gonna run to the bank and then I think I'm gonna go to CVS after that, and then Dollar Tree and Walmart. I think that's how I'm gonna do that. So it was literally it's like 63 degrees yesterday. Dry actually had her dance banquet yesterday. And it was like 63 degrees, and today is 35. Like, no wonder folks out here getting sick. The weather is just crazy. Basketball season is over for Dan. Sean's got baseball tryouts here in about 2 weeks. We've actually got the baseball fundraiser next week. And then Dan has track tryouts 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'm not quite sure. They usually do it like the last week of February or the first week of March. I'm not sure what they are doing this year, but alright guys, I just got out of CVS and one of my coupons did not come off because I think I was like 3 cents off, so it didn't work for some reason. I don't know. I don't fight with them no more. Of the L'Oreal treatments, and then 2 of the Niveas, which we needed the Nivea bad. We had like no lotion. So my subtotal was $3.20 then the tax. So I paid $6, so not bad. $6 for everything, and they gave me back a 5 and a 5. That's fine. I used the extra care bucks that I had, so I got 2 of those, and then 2 of those, which I'm actually excited to try those, and then 1 of these. So yeah, so I'm gonna put these in here and move on to the next one. I forgot to get the Mission deodorant. I have to get that. That's my favorite deodorant. You know what? I'm probably gonna stop at this CVS up here. Alright guys, so I got my deodorant. I just went ahead and got 2 women's and then 2 men. And then here's my receipt. So subtotal was 0, just paid for the tax, and that was pretty much it. So now I am about to head into the Dollar Tree. Alright, I got the family night candy, got the wrapping paper. So now I'm going to head to Walmart. Alright, I'm out of Walmart, and now I'm gonna go home and clean up, and then I think I'm gonna cook when I get the kids. Yeah. So I gotta do Shabbat prep, like meal prep or whatever. I think I'm gonna do that after. That way that gives me time to clean. I gotta do a little bit of stuff with Etsy and then eat something, and then I will do all my cooking once I pick the kids up. So yeah, now I'm gonna put all the stuff. Oh, I gotta show you this at the Dollar Tree. This pretty notebook. Look at that pretty notebook I found at the Dollar Tree. Literally in the checkout. They had it right there, so I grabbed it. I don't even want to use it. It's so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up, and then I'll put this stuff away, clean up, wrap Austin's gifts. Let me show you guys what we got. I found these on Amazon. This one actually came like open a little bit. So this little projector nightlight. He likes Paw Patrol stuff, so that's what we got him. And then he can carry these little guys around because they're tiny. And then I got him a wooden puzzle. So got those. So we're gonna wrap those, get that out of the way. And I'm gonna get ready and put my coupon and stuff away in my stockpile. I don't even coupon the way that I used to, getting a bunch of stuff like my stockpile is tiny, so I'm gonna put these deodorants where they belong. So this is the little part in my basement where I keep everything. So the deodorants go down in there. So I don't have much light, but there's my little container for those. And then the lotions. So I'm going to put the lotions in here, which I did have that one, but Jimmy likes to name it. So actually I'm going to just put that one in there. Take this one upstairs to the bathroom. I don't have a bin for like hair care products or hair care like treatments or whatever. I just have this shampoo and conditioner. So the conditioners are in there. No, the conditioners are in that one, and then the shampoos are in that one. Here's an empty bin. I'll use that one. I'll just put those in there. Here we go. Towels sitting on the dryer that need to go upstairs and get folded, but I'll do that here. That's my little candy jar, which the kids pretty much have taken over. Every time I fill this up, they come in here and pretty much take it all. So got my little candy jar right there, my essential oils. I usually put in here. This actually just stopped working, the water running system, so I need to get another one of those. Just dump this out. Put it in a Ziploc bag. Got some more pictures up there. So yeah, I kind of not rearrange, but like put things in groups. So all I've got to do is add my labels and stuff on there. I've been keeping my coupons here, which is a terrible idea, but I haven't figured out a good coupon organization method. So then I didn't go to Aldi's, so my flour thing is empty. I usually get my flowers at Aldi's because they last. And then I put all my planners and stuff up there. I don't know why, I just got them stacked up there. And then I've got all my bins here that everything needs to be labeled, so nothing is labeled at this moment. And then I've got all these washi containers back there from the all these little peanuts, mixed nuts. I've been using those containers until I get something that is a little bit better. I'm just using what I had. Then I've had these. They got like notebooks and sticky pads and stuff in those. And so every time I'm in my office, I'm either taking off sunglasses or headbands or jewelry. So over time it just like gathers. So I need to take that back into my room. But I keep that down here so when I take off my earrings or something, they go in there. And then it's just like paper clips and stuff. And then the rest of my bags. And then this is the area where I actually use it like as my planning desk area or whatever. So, and then my little carts there. So what I did was I kind of tried to make stations so it's a little bit easier for me. So I've got like my laminating station, my packaging station, where I take the pictures, where I do planning. Because sometimes when like I get ready to like make dashboards or do something with planning, the table is covered. So I was like, you know what? I have to have my own little space over here. So that's what I do there. So I have my own little space that I do all my planning at. And then this desk I can just keep for actual like working and paying bills and doing all that. The dishwasher going. So now I'm going to start rinsing off all the romaine lettuces. So I bought these 3 yesterday, like a red with some different lettuces. So I gotta rinse those. I'm gonna rinse off the blueberries and the grapes and put them in a container, and then the broccoli and the carrots, so we can have that stuff already to go for Shabbat tomorrow. And that's pretty much it, because then I gotta go and get the kids. So I got all the lettuce drying. So once that's a little bit drier, I'm gonna cut it up, put it in here. I usually just like put a napkin in there and then put all the lettuce on top. The napkin usually helps with any extra water or whatnot. And then I gotta rinse all this stuff and get it in the Tupperware. So rinse all this, put it in the Tupperware, and it'll be ready to go for tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm almost done with Shabbat prep. I've got most of the veggies cleaned, washed. I got a little bit more of the lettuce. I've got the broccoli and the carrots are rinsed, cut up, a small thing of the fruit, and then a whole thing of the romaine or the lettuce. I had to get another bowl to cut that up. So yeah, so I'm still chopping this up. I got a little bit more to chop up. I'm gonna put everything into this bowl, so we'll pretty much have salad for the whole weekend and stuff to kind of snack on for the weekend. So yeah, this is pretty much what I do every Friday. I kind of start on Thursday. I'll go to the grocery store, like our regular grocery shopping. I'll start getting the house, like if I've been slacking all week, I will definitely start getting it cleaned up. And then Fridays, this is pretty much what I do. I do the rest of my cleaning. I do all of my prep work for Shabbat. I'll cook a meal during the day because for Shabbat, I don't cook, I don't clean, I don't do any of that. I don't require, the kids don't cook, clean, none of that. So for Shabbat, we just rest. We have our Bible study. So when people come over, they eat and stuff like that. So I like to have some stuff out for everyone. So yeah, it's pretty much, this is what I do every Friday. I get all the food prepared and ready to go. And once the sun goes down and Shabbat starts, we pretty much relax and no cooking or cleaning for us. The kids just kind of veg out. Got the kids from school, so now I'm working on making some beef stroganoff, and I got the noodles cooking and browning up the meat, and then I gotta go get Sean from school. All done. All right, I pulled myself together. Tried to recurl my hair again, and it's already dropping down, but it's okay. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then I put just a solid black shirt on and threw my scarf on. So I'm picking up Sean now. Pick up Sean, and then I just had the pizza delivered because I didn't order it in time to pick it up. So they're gonna deliver the pizza. So I think we're just gonna go over Esther 5 and 6. Without Jim, because me and Jimmy we read through the whole book, but all right. All right, let me get off of here. All right, so pizza has arrived. Not yet, not yet. Wait till your mommy tell you.
Don't make him look a little like me in that picture.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
All right, guys.
What kind of cake is it?
Caramel.
Yeah.
Who made your caramel cake? Who made your caramel cake? Gigi. Gigi and Papa.
You want to open your gift?
Let me have one.
Open that.
Who is that from? Oh, I guess we can have cake after you open it.
Ooh, wait, what's that?
Y'all up all night tonight,
Ooh. Oh, for Paw Patrol Nightlight.
Oh, Mason, you used to love those dreams. What do you say? Who is this from? This from you guys?
Yeah.
Hey, girl. Hey. Oh.
Mason.
What is that?
Paw Patrol.
Oh,
Yeah. Hey, what is it? The little characters? Oh, the mini ones. Good.
You gotta look at them, man. Take your time to look at them.
What is that?
Puzzle.
A
Yeah.
think it's so bad, was it?
Okay, put that in there.
Well, we can throw that away later, Austin.
Once I think